going to try the siren out. Hopefully no one comes in. One, steals this, but two, because I'm playing the siren. So we'll find out. Okay, someone did turn up. They turned up because they were just walking. Sounds little. Okay, so we've just got to the gym. I'm going to use the workout app. During it, I'll probably be looking to do a run, some strength training, all that sort of stuff, and then possibly do a little bit of stretching at the end. So that's going to be like 3 lots of workouts. At the moment, it's on 100%. I didn't take it off that long ago, so we'll see what battery percentage is left at the end. Okay, so I'm done on my workout. The only really annoying thing is that always, doesn't matter what watch it's on, this button every time, because I wear my watch on my left wrist, so every time I'm working out or doing something, say if I'm doing like a shoulder press or something, it always presses that button, stops the workout. So I have to keep going back in and sorting the workout. I know other people have said about it, but yeah, it's just a nightmare. Apple kind of need to sort that, I think, too many times. And you know, the only real solution is flipping it on its head and wearing it like underneath your wrist, which is just, it's just a pain. But yeah, workout's done. Beat my calorie goal, beat my exercise goal. Still got to do my standing goal as well. 4,000 steps so far, just under 2 miles. I did a yoga workout at the end, strength training, and I know that doesn't look like much, but I've had a really bad cold over the last few days. You're so weak. And I just wanted to try a run and see how it was, and it was getting a bit on my chest. But what we might do now, I think we're going to head over to Robbinswood and go for a walk and test out some of these other features as well. Comes a new face. We've got this watch face called Wayfinder. So it's got built-in compass, so like up here, so you know wherever you turn, obviously you've got that option. Also the option down here to put down some waypoints, so you can color coordinate them, you can change the icon so you know exactly what it is. So we're going to test out a couple of these. One of the ones which I'm really interested to start is the backtrack feature. Apparently it doesn't actually work without doing a workout. So like as example, like you put a hiking workout on or a walk workout or whatever, so that the GPS is on and then it will track your steps wherever you go. So what we're going to try and do today is go on a walk somewhere where I haven't really been before. That way I can use that backtrack feature to try and find my way back if for whatever reason I get lost, or just to see if it actually worked in terms of the actual track. So we'll give that a go as well. So I thought I'd just share with you as well, because I forgot to do it after the gym, is after recording all those workouts, I've only lost 7% on battery, so doing pretty well. I think my last watch, my Series 3, probably would have been in the 80s by now. So right, let's get on it. Okay, so I found like a little secluded space here. I'm going to try the siren out on. Hopefully no one comes and, one, steals this, but two, turns up because I'm playing the siren. So we'll find out. So I'll start playing it now. And then I'll walk off. Okay, someone did turn up. Not because of the siren, but they turned up because they were just walking outside the law. But I just watched the video back, and I think that's pretty good. I mean, I got quite far. I mean, I don't know if you can see it behind me, but I ran kind of all the way up there, and I could hear it from when I was looking back on the camera. I mean, let me know your thoughts. I thought it was pretty good. But yeah, let's crack on.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
Okay, we're back. I just had a look into the compass app. You can see those little dots. They're my little waypoints that I put down. I think I put 2 cars down, which is a bit weird. If you zoom out, go away, Siri. You can see my waypoints. Can I select them? Yeah, there you go. So 2 of them which automatically track my car. That was just a little area where I got to where you can go left or right. So I just thought, well, you know, I'll put one down there, and then that was the top. So the waypoints are really good actually. So they work, you know, if you select that one, it tells you how far away that is. But the backtrack feature worked. I don't think it was going to work, but as you can see, I was tracking a walking workout. So I don't know if that's going to have a massive effect, but it's still going. So I think, retrace steps. Yeah, there you go. So it's actually telling me, you know, which way I need to go now to retrace my steps. So yeah, that was that's good. Quite like that. We can delete the steps now because I'm not going to use them. But yeah, so I mean, everything that we used on that walk seemed to work. I was really impressed with the siren. Siren's really good. Yeah, overall, I mean, for someone who just wants to go, I'm not an endurance athlete, I'm not running up mountains and stuff, but for what I wanted to do it for, if I go away anywhere and I want to use it there, I can rely on it. So pretty good. Home, so I thought I'd do a quick little update. Focus. There we go. Nearly 10,000 steps and 4.42 miles. 53 flights climbed. Outdoor walk, which was just over an hour. 495 calories burned. Decent. Just in terms of battery percentage, we're on 81%. It's barely even touched it. So it's a little bit dark right now. I'm just about off to go and pick my sister up. She's an avid swimmer, and I'm going to give her the watch basically, and just get her to test the depth gauge on it, and also just to test the swim workout as well, because I don't have access to a pool, and if she's going to be doing it a lot more often than I am, then I thought, well, it's a pretty good chance to test that out. So we'll see how it goes.
just thought I would share with you at the end here some of the data from the workouts that we completed today. In total, it racked up to just under 350 minutes of exercise across 6 different exercise variations. And I still finished today with 75% battery life left. So when it comes to lasting a few days with no charge, I don't think there's going to be any issues. Just to touch on a point with the swim as well, I just ran by what my sister's thoughts were in comparison to the other watches that she's had in the past, and she was really happy with the split markers and then the heart rate monitoring as well, as it just gave that little bit more of a detailed view. Well, that's it for this day in the life video with me and the Apple Watch Ultra. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you gained a few insights along the way. In short, picking up this watch for your average consumer should not be frowned upon, and gives the user more capability whenever you do decide to branch out and try out some more of the advanced features. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, and if you've made it this far in the video, hit that like button, as it truly does help with supporting the channel. Thanks for watching, and take care.